Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose, whether it's a call option or put option, how it is going to be. Today the market opened a gap up and then almost shed all the points which gained during the morning session and lost all its gain during the day, and how it is going to be tomorrow. Let us see in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Please do refer to your friends and help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it opened a kind of very good gap up opening, like almost from this 1160 level, and it opened above this 10,300 levels, and then but not able to sustain. It was a kind of consolidating for the first half a day, almost up to this 12:30, and you can see a lot of consolidations between this 10,250 to 10,300 levels, and then by around 12:30 it started falling down, and then it lost almost all its gain and almost close somewhere closer to the previous days, that is yesterday's close. And here is one point where it gave a kind of sell signal, and then the second signal was given over here that it is not going up, throughout which it was trying to move up, but it was a kind of huge resistance from the kind of 10,300 zones or 10,400 zones. So that is what is clearly evidence from the day's chart, 5 minutes candlestick chart. And how it is looking on a daily candlestick. On a daily candlestick, you can see this gap has been filled. So this low is 10,334, and then here also the day high is 10,328. So this gap is almost filled and came down to this high. So what we can expect tomorrow, if the same selling pressure exists, so tomorrow also there may be a fall in, and it might come up to this, might drop below 10,000 zone. And what is there for tomorrow, we will see. Before that, we will see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it's almost the same, but the resistance level started at 21,800, which you can see it is almost like this 22,000 level, which is the kind of major resistance level for Bank Nifty. But it didn't went up to that level, but it started facing resistance at 21,800 itself, and it's tried to sustain up to that same 1220 levels, and here it gave a kind of one signal, and the second signal gave here is the sell one. So from here it started like gave a sell signal that it is not going to break this 21,700 zones. So it was a kind of clear indication from this level, and it started falling down, and here are all the small indications that I'm not going up. Here also I'm not going up, and here also not going up, and this is a kind of divergence which you can see what you can expect tomorrow. On a daily candlesticks chart, it started resistance, it faced a kind of resistance at 22,000 level, and almost, if you can see, almost all the individual stocks in Nifty and Bank Nifty are at its peak resistance level, which clearly indicates there may be a weakness in the market in the coming days, and it almost fell down to these 21,200 levels. So what we can expect, if it is a falling market, we can expect around 20,500 to 20,000 levels back, but we have to see the option chain data. Let us see how the option chain data is looking at. Option chain data, Nifty, we have seen that this one 21 lakh open interest is giving a tough resistance to Nifty to move up, and also you can see 10,400 is also having a huge resistance, and 25,000 also, 10,500 also giving a huge resistance. So tomorrow we can expect it to drop up to this 10,100 levels, or maybe to 10,050 levels, and if it sustains that, taking a support at 10,100 or 10,000 level, it might bounce back. Otherwise there may be some drop is inevitable in Nifty. The same thing with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty went up to this level, which is 21,800, where it faced a kind of huge resistance from this 22,000 levels, and it started falling down. So that is one of the very key indicators, and tomorrow if it crosses below 21,000 levels, it might fall down to this 20,500 mark. So tomorrow is a kind of must watch day, And if you go to global data is also kind of a little flat to negative, which is undecisive for tomorrow's opening. Let us go to the recommendations for tomorrow. So this is yesterday's recommendation. So yesterday's recommendation, Nifty gave a kind of very good gap up opening, so because of which the CE is not able to take a level because it's a kind of open high, and also the PE level is also like it gave a kind of good profit, but I don't recommend to sell 10,150 at a kind of higher price because it was very much out of the money. Whereas in the bank Nifty, it gave a kind of initial gain, which you can see this 21,000 CA gave a kind of profit of around 275, and 21,000 PE was a kind of open low, so which is also kind of not advisable one to take way ahead out of the money, almost 800, 900, 700, 800 points out of the money. And what is there for tomorrow? Tomorrow I would suggest if Nifty crosses about 10,200, you can exercise call option, which will be like 10,150 or 10,250. If it started dropping below 10,100, don't exercise even for a small drop. If it drops below 10,100, then go ahead with 10,100 or 10,150 PE. So the levels are very clear. If Nifty trades about 10,200, go ahead with 10,150 or 10,200 CE, and if Nifty trades below 10,100, go ahead with 10,100 PE or 10,150 PE. Okay, and the same thing for bank Nifty. If Nifty crosses 21,200 mark, exercise call option, 21,200 call option. Otherwise, if it drops below 21,100 mark, straight away you can execute 21,100 or 21,200 put option. So it is very clear, if the market is negative, I am expecting negative, so be careful with put option side. So if the market is going negative, you can exercise 10,100 or 10,150 PE, and the same thing with bank Nifty, 21,100 or 21,200 put option. So most probably on the PE side. And on the call option side, if market stays positive, if it crosses 10,200 and 21,200 mark, then you can exercise call option. And if you are interested in taking a very good levels like this, and if you want to become an independent trader, please do refer my Trade Like a Pro program, which is called TLP program, and refer it to your friends. It's a kind of very nominal fees will be collected for this, and it will be a must useful one. And hope you had a very good session. All the very best and have a profitable day tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye.